Like many other industries, the energy industry is seeking new and innovative solutions to help ensure a more sustainable future for our planet. Digesting waste into biogas is one essential way of supporting the transition towards a low-carbon economy. Biogas plants produce electricity and heat out of biowaste. To improve plant profitability, operators are looking for ways to increase the electrical output of their combined heat and power engines while reducing operating costs at the same time. In order to do this, the engine needs a supply of high-quality biogas that contains as much methane and as little water as possible. To maximize the methane generated by biowaste digestion and tackle instabilities in the process in a timely manner, plant operators need to be able to control methane concentration. They also need to protect the engine from excess moisture. This is because water and hydrogen sulfide form a corrosive combination that can cause breakdowns or cause long-term damage to the engine and other components in the process. The active carbon filters used for hydrogen sulfide and siloxane removal are also sensitive to water. By prolonging the refill interval of these filters, the plant can reduce its operating costs. Monitoring water vapor in the biogas allows for better optimization of the heat exchanger. Vaisala has developed a unique measurement probe for smart control of biogas quality. The MGP-261 with methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor measurement. Thanks to its accurate and stable methane measurement, this compact and reliable 3-in-1 probe helps plant operators gain full control over their process and adjust engine operation to get the highest possible electrical output. It also enables operators to control humidity in order to reduce wear on engine parts and process components. The MGP-261 probe is EX certified up to Zone 0, and it can be installed in hazardous locations without any sampling lines, pumps, or moisture removal traps. Calibration is automatic, meaning no calibration gases are needed in routine operation. The MGP-261 is based on Vaisala's patented CarboCap technology, which boasts a successful 20-year track record in infrared gas measurement. Vaisala is a global leader in industrial and environmental measurements with over 80 years of measurement expertise. Take control of your biogas quality the smart way with Vaisala. Visit www.vaisala.com/biogas to find out more.